If you're using Teams Manager and want specific users to create teams without admin approval, or if you want only those users to have the ability to create teams at all, then this enterprise feature is for you. Open Teams Manager, go to Settings, switch to Expert Mode, and open User without approval. Users on this list, such as company executives, will be able to create teams without requiring approval. They will still go through the request process, defining metadata and governance policies, but in their case, the team will be created immediately. This feature also allows you to restrict team creation to only the users on the list. That means anyone not included will be blocked from creating teams or submitting requests. If they try, they will see the following error message. If you want to take your organization's governance processes to the next level, download Teams Manager from the Teams App Store or book a free demo with one of our governance experts on our website.